To log into the website, make sure you obtain your username and password from the subject area supervisor for the content that you'll be uploading the curriculum for. In this case, I'll be working in the Practical Arts department, so I will use that information. Once I'm logged in here, if this is my first time creating curriculum for this course, I'm going to want to click on Create New Curriculum. And you will notice along the left hand side it sort of gives me some navigation. I have a simple title and description, units and topics that will sort of fall underneath here. So I can go ahead and create the title of the course. And I can pick the subject area if I want. There is a drop down area. This particular one falls under Technology Education. And then I need to pick the course that this is under that topic area. So I'm looking for Electronic Tech 2, and this is a secondary course. The status, it's in new shape since I have not finalized writing the curriculum. I do not need to fill in any of these other items as far as sharing or minutes. And I'm just going to save the general info as I continue to move from here. So the title and description is in place. I can then go and edit the description, the core understandings for the course, and the final assessment just by clicking on each field. So under this first window, I'm looking to put the description in. I'm not going to reinvent the wheel. We already have a course description for this. It's in the booklet, the course selection guide. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste that into this description field. Instead of just hitting right mouse click and paste, I'm going to hit right mouse click and paste from Word. Actually paste as plain text. And what that will allow me to do then is paste that in here, and it will get rid of any of the formatting that would have come in from the Word document that I was using, which just helps to clean things up. We want to try to keep everything Arial and size 3 for this. And I can hit update, and you'll notice that on the curriculum map then the course description comes in place. If you are fortunate enough to have the curriculum already laid out, maybe in the old planned course outline or in another electronic format, I recommend using the copy and paste function just to move the items from one to the other. Once I have the description entered, I'll need to go to the core understanding section. I would edit this in the same fashion that I did the description, simply copy and paste. If I go back out to the planned course original curriculum, you'll notice that in the old format we didn't follow the understanding by design structure, and therefore we didn't have core understandings. There might have been objectives or something like that. So these objectives are going to need to be reworded and made more of a core understanding to place onto the on-hand school. So I'm actually not going to get to that section right now, but I would do it in the same fashion. I am going to go ahead and look to attach a final assessment, and the nice thing about the final assessment here is I want to just show you how to attach it so it stays just to this course, and that resource isn't shared with everyone. It's just related to the course that's here. So I'll just type a few words like electronics to final exam. There happens to be a final exam for this course. If there isn't, and you don't have to fill anything out here. And I'm going to look to attach a file, and if you hover over this little corner, it'll take you to the document, and within this document manager I can then go ahead and add my files to here. I'm going to upload and just simply browse through my computer to find that specific file. So see if I can find that in here. So once I find a particular file, it doesn't matter necessarily what that is, I can simply hit open, and upload that document. I will then click the Insert button, and you'll notice the written final document is there. So when I hit Update, the final exam will show up. So that is the basics for creating a new course and the steps that go with the general page.